Hey guys, welcome back to your review channel. Today I'm looking at a card game. This was gifted to me by the company. It's called Taco Cat Go Cheese Pizza. Kind of cool, kind of fun. So I'm going to explain to you how this game goes. It's really kind of fun. It's fast paced. It's exciting. There's a lot of cards here. So when you get the cards, they're all, you have to just make sure you shuffle them up because they're all together in groups. So make sure you shuffle the cards up really well. That's really the fun part of it. There's special cards in here. We'll go over every single thing in 1 second. So what you do is you pass out the cards to all the people, right? That's what you have to do. That's the first thing you do. So everybody has a set of cards. It can be from 3 people to as many as you need till you run out of cards. There's a lot of cards in here. So that's the first thing. So the idea of the game is that you always start out with Taco Cat Go Cheese Pizza. So how it works that every time you go through a cycle, and I'll explain the cycle in a second. Everybody slaps their hand, that starts over again, then you start a Taco Cat Go, you just keep starting over and over. And the reason why you do that is because when you're playing the game, I'll give you an example, it starts a taco, you say cat, so it's right down like goat, right? Everyone, no one touches yet. Cheese, because it matches what you're saying, right? Pizza, it matches what you're saying. So the next thing is what? Taco, you keep going over and over. So the next person throws their card down, they say taco, it's pizza, everybody has to slap their hand. So the last person who slaps their hand has to pick up all the cards. So that's how the rules work. I'll explain to you one more time how that goes. So everybody gets the cards, it goes around, people start saying all the things. So say taco, cat, so it matches what you're saying, right? Goat, it is a goat. Cheese, pizza. The next person again starts taco, you keep doing it over again. They slap down, they say taco, pizza comes up, everybody slaps their hand down. The last person who does it gets those cards. And that's how you keep rotating it over and over and over, and that's pretty much how the game works. So it's pretty simple. The caveat is there's some 3 special cards in this set. There's a groundhog, a gorilla, and a narwhal. Now, when a person slaps this down, the person has to tap the table first before they start putting their hand down. Everybody has to do this. So everybody has to tap table, and the last person who does it, well, if you flinch and don't do it, you automatically lose. So there's a little quirk there with the game. Same thing with the gorilla. You have to beat your chest with the gorilla. So if you don't beat your chest, you'll slap your hand down first. Whoever doesn't do that, they're gonna lose automatically. So you have to kind of follow along. Or the narwhal, you have to make horns on your head. Make a horn on top of your head, and that's the narwhal. So that's the little caveat of the game. Really super fun, super interesting. It's a huge hit. It's trending everywhere. I love this game. I'm playing a little bit with the family. Again, the secret is when you get the cards, make sure you shuffle them really good, and just have a lot of fun with this. Great family fun. Each game lasts between 5 and 10, 12 minutes long, and you can do scores. You can have all kinds of cool interaction with it, and it's just a good family fun. And that's what's missing in the world today is good family fun. The instructions are super easy. They give you 2 cards, basically A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4. Very simple to use, very simple. And to go over these instructions are real easy, really great fun. And for the price you get this for, it's a reasonable price. Lots of family fun for the money. Great, hope you enjoyed this review. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.